Hi, boys and girls. Today I'm going to teach you about a fun new way to practice your sight words, and it's called Boom because it's really exciting. So these are Boom cards. We're going to do them with sight words first, and as we get really good throughout the year, we're going to be able to add extra fun ways of practicing things and becoming really smart with them. So I'm going to show you a little bit about how this works. Oops, I don't want it to be all me. I want it to be all the screen. There we go. So you can see that these are their little microphones. That means sound, okay? So see those? Anytime you see something like that on a boom card, I want you to click on it because that way you don't have to read the directions if you can't read the directions. If you're someone who can read the directions, like see how this little alien has a speech bubble? You can read those directions. You don't have to click on this. You're going to see it says the same thing.
Find all of the words that say
Okay, but now we do need to click on the star because it doesn't have the word there, does it?
does,
Does. So it's telling us to find, and this is the really important part, all of the words that say does. So there's one. Oh, there's another one. No, that's not one of our words. It's one of our words, but it's not what we're looking for. Does. Does. There's four of them. I think there's four of them. So I see this little check mark here, and I'm going to click on that, and that's how I submit my answer.
does.
Yay! I got them right. Now let's see. Here we go. We have to listen.
Type the word does.
So we need to type the word does. Well, we get to look at it right here. So this is going to help us. Now we know it's a little tricky when you look at the keyboard because now you're looking at capital letters on the keyboard and that's written in lowercase. But that's okay because we know, right? Does. So I have to look and no, it's not a race. It is not a race. Okay, so we do this just however we can. D, then I find that O, E. I might have to take a little while to look, and that's okay. Like I said, it's not a race. It's about getting it right. Let's try. Yay.
Does.
Now this one is going to be just like when you would sit with your teacher in kindergarten or even now you're doing it in first grade at your guided reading table and you have to take your letters and lay them out to make the word. Well, guess what? Now we get to do it this way. We're going to click and hold so we can drag, or if you're doing this on your Chromebook, you can just move your finger and move it that way. You can drag it. Oh, I'm sorry. You know what I forgot to do?
Spell the word does.
That's right. What happens if I spell it wrong? Let's try that and see what happens. Let's say I accidentally mix up my E and my O. Dios, right? Let's see what the Dios. Uh-oh, I'm wrong. Oh no, now I know I can fix myself though, right? There we go. Now let's try it again. Yay, I'm
Not.
right. And it's going to keep doing that. It's going to go through all of your words. Does, school, not, and what? Your four new sight words. And at the end, it's going to tell you how many you got right. Guess what the really cool thing is about this? You get to do it over and over again as many times as you want to get perfect. And you can do it to get faster and faster at it. So maybe it was really hard for you to find those letters at first for does. But you're like, oh no, now I know where those letters are on the keyboard. I'm going to be faster with that. Or now I know how many words I'm going to be looking for, and keep playing it over and over to see how much better you get. So I hope you enjoy our little alien, and I hope you enjoy practicing in a fun way your new sight words. Thanks, everybody.